Hey everyone, welcome to our channel and hope you all are doing good. And today I'm here to explain you about waveless.com reviews. Guys, in this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website and it is an online shopping site which is based in Belgium and United States that deals with beautiful collections of rings, necklaces, watches and bracelets. So here is the product category of necklaces, bracelets and watches. So you can view the entire products and you can find your desired product. The cost of these products are too good to be true, guys. Now let's talk about the payment information. So you can be find out the payment info at the bottom of the web page and they have mentioned MX, Apple Pay, GPay, Mastercard, Mastro, Visa modes of payment on the website. Now talking about the shipping policy of this website, let's check out the shipping policy. So guys, the processing time will take around 2 to 3 business days, but yes, the estimated shipping delivery will be 7 to 30 business days. So this is the shipping information, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, and let's discuss those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, this particular site is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection and has an SSL certificate that makes the website secure to access. Apart from that, the domain name was created on 31st of January 2021. So guys, this site is 28 days old and it's been working from 28 days ago, guys, but we can't claim it purely legit on the basis of the domain age factor only. So let's check out the entire info including company's detail, contact details and other information. So talking about the About Us page, so they have not provided the About Us information on the website, which is a negative sign. And coming to the contact details, so they have provided the email address, contact number and official address, which is a positive sign, guys. And coming to the social media presence of this site, so they have mentioned two social media icons, which are Facebook and Instagram. And yes, the site has a social media presence on Facebook and Instagram, but they have recently created their Facebook profile on February 7, 2021, because the site is newly launched website, guys. So you need to wait for some time to define its legitimacy. And yes, they have huge followers on Instagram in some days, and the site has 11.1k followers on Instagram, which is a positive sign. So you can take a look here. This is the information related to 11.11k followers and the information related to post. So guys, this is a positive sign and it makes the site quite legit. Now coming to the return policy of this website, let's find out the return and refund policy. So guys, they have 30-day return policy, which means you have 30 days after receiving your item to request a return. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And talking about waveless.com reviews, we have found various positive reviews about the products on the official website. You can take a look at the customer reviews. So here are positive comments, guys. They have mentioned amazing quality, it's worth the price, very happy with these. And some of the customers have shared the pictures of these products, which is a positive sign and it makes the site quite legitimate, guys. Apart from that, we have found 3.7 rating out of 5 on Trustpilot. Only one customer have rated this site. One of the customers said, I ordered 2 rings 23 January, took almost a month to arrive, which was a downside, but I love them, would recommend. So the positive comments, positive reviews, the entire information makes the site quite legit. The site is not popular, guys, because this site is a newly launched website. So wait for some time and you will get the best results after researching or after finding the entire information about the site. Yes, in the final conclusion, the website appears to be legit. This is a legit platform, and we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. Guys, you can also share your experience with this website so that other customers can get to know about the entire info before investing their valuable money. However, you can view the entire reviews for making any decision. And guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. To comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.